Hey guys, does your iPhone randomly turn on Wi-Fi when you're driving around or in a public place? I'm going to show you how to stop that right now. The first thing you need to understand is that the drop-down menu from the top right corner, when you pull that down and you turn off your Wi-Fi, it's actually not turning off your Wi-Fi completely. What it's doing is turning off that network that you're on right now, and it's waiting to see when another network is available, and then it will switch on. So say you're in a train or a subway station or driving in a condensed area with your car, it will find another Wi-Fi signal, pick up that Wi-Fi signal, and then realize, oh, I don't actually have internet with this. So say you're listening to your music or Spotify, anything that requires internet, YouTube, it will actually lose service. So this can be very frustrating, and it took me a while to figure out. You cannot turn off your Wi-Fi from the drop-down menu. You actually have to go into your settings and turn off the Wi-Fi. That is the only way to make this work. Hey, if this video helped, like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.